chap. Been painting the boat outside, which is challenging to say the least. People might ask why I sand the grip off. Because I'm going to put a soft deck down, because the kids spend a lot of time up the front of the boat. And the reason some of the steel stayed on is because I had no one here to help me get it off. Paint job come up okay considering I'm painting outside. I did talk to the fairies and ask them to keep the bugs and the dust down, but I don't think they really listened to me. So, but anyway, that's what you got to deal with if you got to paint outside. But in all, it hasn't come up too bad considering. A lot of work, but I must say that yeah, painting with this 2-pack paint is challenging to say the least, and with a lot of help from the guys on the forum, yeah, it made a lot of difference. And to tell you the truth, I think I only got 4 runs over the whole paint job, which I thought was pretty good considering. And of course it's right when you've got hardly any paint left to fix stuff up. But yeah, all in all, not too bad a job, I guess. I've still got the wheelhouse to do, floor, etc. But as I've stated before in different other posts, I've got to keep the boat operating. At school holidays, the boys have gone away for a few days, so that's given me a chance to paint it, and hopefully I'll be able to get it back on the water again for next week. Yeah, so yeah, just painting outside, very challenging. It certainly doesn't give you that top finish that you know, you would have in a shed, etc. But yeah, all in all, I guess it's not too bad. Any tips or hints on you know, to sand a bit of the blemishes out would be handy. I have tried to polish this 2-pack before, it's successful, so I can't seem to get it to really shine up. I don't know if it's not hard enough. Yeah, another problem is when it's 40 degrees, painting 40 degrees, you sweat like you wouldn't believe in your sperm suit, and your sweat drips on the paint, which is another problem. But yeah, all in all, I'll get this post out, and yeah, you're not too upset with how it's come up. You know, more time, more effort, you get a better job. It's as simple as that. So you know, when you're by yourself and you've only got a few days and you've got the weather, you need the weather when you're painting outside, and I've been probably fairly lucky. Would have been a good day for painting yesterday, but anyway, I painted the day before, which was a light breeze. But yeah, anyway, see what you guys think, and look forward to your feedback. Cheers.